Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through Samsung Wallet troubleshooting. If your Samsung Wallet not working, I'm going to give you 5 quick fixes for it. Fix 1: check internet connection. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then try turning airplane mode on and off to reset the connection. Fix 2: update Samsung Wallet. Open the Galaxy Store, tap on the menu and tap on Update. If Samsung Wallet appears, tap Update. Now, fix 3 is to clear app cache. No data loss. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, then tap on Samsung Wallet. Then tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Please do not tap on Clear Data. Fix 4: reboot your phone. Hold off power plus the volume button down for 10 seconds. Then release when the Samsung logo appears. Fix 5: reinstall Samsung Wallet. Uninstall Samsung Wallet and reinstall it from the Galaxy Store. Log back in and retry your transaction. If it is still not working, contact Samsung support via member app. Tap on Samsung support, you sit in the members app option and tap on get help. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Tell us in the comment section if this worked for you.